Hello kids, now we learn counting number 1 from 10 with your favorite colors. Let's get started.
1 one 1 2 two 2 3 three 3 4 four 5 five 6 six 7 seven 8 eight 9 nine and 10 ten. Let's again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.